Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today, we're diving into the ultimate fusion of performance and luxury, the BMW M7 Series. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of presence, power, and precision engineering, blending the comfort of a luxury sedan with the brute force of BMW's M performance line. The M7 stands as BMW's most refined flagship, and in this video, we're going to explore every detail that makes it one of the most impressive machines on the road today. Let's start with the exterior. The M7 Series carries an aggressive yet elegant profile. It's long, sleek, and muscular, wrapped in a shiny gray metallic coat that brings out every curve and line. The front fascia commands attention with its massive kidney grills, flanked by slim laser LED headlights and deep-cut air intakes that scream performance. From the side, the silhouette remains sophisticated with aerodynamic shaping, frameless doors, and flush handles. The M-specific design elements like the aggressive front bumper, sculpted side skirts, and larger rear diffuser hint at the beast hiding underneath. The rear is equally bold, featuring quad exhausts, slim OLED taillights, and a subtle trunk lip spoiler, giving the car a planted, wide stance. It looks every bit the luxury performance monster it is. Step inside and the luxury continues. The cabin of the M7 Series is an experience in itself. You're welcomed by high-end merino leather, Alcantara roof lining, and customizable ambient lighting that spans across the dash and doors. The front seats are not only ventilated and heated, but also come with active massage functions and memory settings. The dashboard features a large curved display that merges a high-resolution digital driver cluster with an intuitive infotainment screen powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. Touch, gesture, and voice commands feel incredibly responsive. Rear passengers aren't forgotten. Executive lounge seating, personal touchscreens, a rear tablet, and even an optional 31-inch 8K theater display with built-in streaming services turn the back seat into a luxury suite. Every inch of the interior screams refinement and advanced technology. Under the hood, the BMW M7 Series doesn't disappoint. Powering this beast is a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Together, they churn out over 640 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque, sent through an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission to all four wheels using BMW's xDrive system. The result? A full-size luxury sedan that rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. The suspension is electronically adaptive, delivering a ride that balances comfort and handling with remarkable precision. Steering feels direct and engaging, especially for a car this size, and M carbon ceramic brakes are available for those who want the most extreme stopping power. The M7 also features several driving modes that completely transform the car's personality. From calm and composed in comfort mode to sharp and aggressive in sport and sport plus, it adapts to your mood with the push of a button. Despite its size, the M7 is nimble and planted, thanks to rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization. It's a limousine that thinks it's a track car. Now, let's talk about the price. The BMW M7 Series doesn't come cheap. Starting at around $160,000, it easily pushes well beyond $180,000 once you begin adding performance packages, luxury options, and high-end materials. But what you get in return is a car that competes with the very best in the ultra-luxury performance sedan class. Think Mercedes AMG S63, Audi S8, and even the Bentley Flying Spur. So whether you're after a car that turns heads, pampers your passengers, or pins you back in your seat with every press of the pedal, the BMW M7 Series delivers on all fronts. It's the perfect marriage of power and polish, a machine for those who want it all. Thanks for watching Car Vibes, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the world's finest automobiles.